Get in. Get in the car. Use these keys to get in. Get out. I will get out at the red light. Open the door so I can get out. Get off. I get off the train here. You get off the bus at the next stop. Get on. Please get on the bus. I'm getting on the train. Take off. Take off your shirt. Take off your hat. Put on. Put on your jacket. Put on your hat. Come off. His hair is coming off. The sticker came off. Take out. Take out the trash. How many teeth did they take out? Tear up. Tear up the paper. Tear up the old contract. Grow up. Kids grow up fast. Plants grow up to the sun. Run away. The thief ran away. Don't run away from problems. Look after. Look after the baby. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Pick up. Pick up the book. Pick up the toy. Get up. She can't get up early. It's time to get up now. Fill in. Fill in the form. Fill in your name.